Unleash your inner DJ, 6 top free DJ software and apps. Eston Loyford YouTube channel presents Unleash Your Inner DJ, 6 top free DJ software and apps. Greetings, fellow music aficionados. Are you ready to embark on a sonic adventure and create mind-blowing mixes? Today, we're delving into the vibrant world of DJing with a twist. We're doing it for free. Tune in as we unravel the mysteries of free DJ software and apps that can turn your musical dreams into reality. Navigating the landscape of free DJ software. As the digital realm brims with options, the quest for the perfect free DJ software can be daunting. But fear not. We're here to guide you through the labyrinth and unveil the true gems. DJ Setup. The journey begins with a basic setup. A computer, your favorite music tracks, and an insatiable appetite for creativity. With these elements in place, it's time to discover the ideal software that will let your DJing dreams flourish. The reality of free DJ software. Remember the adage, nothing comes for free. Well, it holds true even in the realm of DJ software. Free versus paid software. While free DJ software offers an enticing entry point for beginners, it often comes with limitations that might hinder your creative flow. For those looking to dive deeper, investing in professional-grade software is a game-changer. Benefits of premium software. Before you fret about the cost, consider this. The investment in premium software translates to enhanced features and a smoother workflow. But wait, there's good news. Some software, like DJ Studio, offers affordable monthly subscriptions, making the transition easier on your pocket. Showcasing the elite, the top 6 free DJ software. Now, the spotlight shifts to the stars of the show, the creme de la creme of free DJ software and apps that promise to unleash your inner DJ prodigy. DJ Studio, a paradigm shift. Our first contender, DJ Studio. This isn't just software, it's a revolution. With AI auto mix and custom visuals, it's perfect for both aspiring DJs and seasoned pros. Rekordbox free plan. Next, we have the Rekordbox free plan. While it doesn't sync with hardware, it's an ideal starting point with user-friendly features and musical key detection. Traktor DJ2 Le iPad integration. For the iPad enthusiasts, Traktor DJ2 Le steps onto the stage. Seamlessly manage your music library, mix on 2 decks, and explore integrated SoundCloud support. Mix unveiling open source power. Brace yourselves for Mix, the open source powerhouse. With pitch control, beat matching, and beat looping, it's a versatile option that won't cost you a dime. Serato DJ Lite, learning the ropes. Step into the world of Serato DJ Lite. Craft live remixes, add enticing sound effects, and gradually master the art of DJing. Virtual DJ Free, a kaleidoscope of options. Last but not least, meet Virtual DJ Free. Offering up to 99 deck mixing, effects, and recording capabilities, it's a playground for those seeking more than the basics. Setting sail on your DJing odyssey. Armed with insights into the finest free DJ software, your voyage into the DJing universe is poised to begin. Crafting musical stories. These software choices are your magic wands, enabling you to experiment, create, and curate musical tales that resonate with your audience. Ascending to the next level. As your skills blossom, consider embracing the full potential by upgrading to premium versions. With an array of advanced features, your mixes will soar to unprecedented heights. Ready to ride the waves of sound and craft unforgettable mixes? Don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe for more melodic escapades, and hit the notification bell to stay in sync with the rhythm. The stage is set, the beats are cued. Are you ready to kickstart your DJ journey? Let's dive into the world of free DJ software and unveil your musical prowess. Subscribe.